So next one is second operation, that is conjunction operation. This conjunction operation is indicated by symbol and. So basically this and is used to denote this symbol. Okay. So if you observe this operation, if statement P is considered and statement Q is considered, okay. So in this case, if you are applying P and Q operation, then there are two possibilities. Okay, there are two statements. One is P, the other one is Q. Okay, so we will have 2 power 2 possibilities. Okay, indicated with the help of true and false, right? So true is one possibility. Okay, this is one possibility. True false is another possibility. False true is another possibility. And finally false. Okay. So what is the result obtained in each of these cases here? Okay. So very simple. In AND operation or conjunction operation, the result will be true if and only if both the inputs are true. Okay. So whenever both the inputs are true, then only the result will be true. In all other cases, it will produce false, like this. Okay. And we can also consider an example here. Suppose consider statement P as Jack went up the hill. Jack went up the hill. And statement Q can be considered as Jill went up the hill. Now, conjunction operation P and Q can be denoted as Jack and Jill went up the hill. So this is how we can write conjunction operation. Okay. So very simple. Statement P is considered as Jack went up the hill, and statement Q is considered as Jill went up the hill. Now P and Q, we have to substitute this AND operation here. Okay, Jack and Jill went up the hill. Okay. And similarly, we can consider a completely different example as well. Okay. So let me consider another example here. It is raining today. it is raining today. And statement Q is there are 20 tables in the room. There are 22 tables in the room. Now this P and Q operation can be denoted as simply it is raining today and there are 20 tables in the room. And there are 20 tables in the room. Okay. So this is how we can use this conjunction operation to indicate both the statements P and Q. Okay. The whole statement P and Q will be true if and only if both the statements are true. That is, it is raining today is true, and also there are 20 tables in the room. Then only we can say the overall statement is true. If any one of this statement is false or both are false, in that case resultant will be false. Okay.